Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download videos from private Telegram groups on your laptop or computer. If you've tried the Telegram apps or bots, you probably noticed they don't always work for private group content. The easiest way to do this is using a browser, and I recommend Google Chrome for this process. Start by logging into your Telegram account directly in the browser. Now, try to download from here. If the download button is not showing, follow the next steps. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for the TamperMonkey extension. Install it, and then make sure to pin it to your browser's toolbar so it's easy to access. After that, within TamperMonkey, search for the full Telegram Media Downloader script and install it. This script is what enables the download option for videos that aren't normally downloadable. Once the script is installed, restart your browser and go back to Telegram in the browser. Now, when you open a private group, you'll see the option to download videos directly to your computer. And that's it. This simple browser-based method gives you full access to save videos from private Telegram groups without relying on apps or bots. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.